The 2.2-inch display on the bike is your ally for monitoring performance and adjusting key settings. Press the power button to activate the display. From here, you can monitor the speed, the bike's battery level, and the electric motor's power. To adjust the power, use the directional arrows next to the display to increase or decrease the power. To turn on the bike's front light, press the power button once, and you'll also see the display switch to night mode. Turn off the display by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. The rear light is independent of the display, but you can turn it on by pressing the small button beneath it. If the rear light runs out of battery, you can remove it by pressing the inner tab upward and sliding the light to the right. It has a micro USB port for recharging,